Hello, welcome back to Auto Review. I'm Jack. Next to me, this one is the Stelato S9. Stelato is a series of cars built by Huawei and BAIC together, and combined with Huawei's intelligent driving experience and BAIC's automotive technology, this is the luxury flagship sedan they built. First, let's start with the exterior. So the shape of the Stelato S9, I would say, is very flawless because the drag efficiency is only 0.193 CD, so it's very low. And also the headlight is one of its biggest features. It has this, they call it a galaxy or star headlight. And secondly, regarding the intelligent driving experiences, Stelato S9 equipped with Huawei ADAS 3.0 Advanced Intelligent Driving System. This system can fully integrate functions like intelligent highway driving, urban driving, and also the self-parking. So you can really reach a point-to-point driving experience with its intelligent system. Additionally, the powertrain and the chassis system is another highlight of Stelato S9. Equipped with the newest Huawei Drive 1 800 volts platform, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.9 seconds. And they also have a front double wishbone suspension and the rear multi-link suspension system, and also comes with standard, has the air suspension and also the CDC dampers. Lastly, the Stelato S9 has a very wide range of entertainment systems within the vehicle. For example, in the second row, they got a zero-gravity seats, 12-wave adjustment electronic seats, and also a huge projector inside the vehicle with a projector screen. And also, the overall power output of the sound system is 2080 watts, which is very high power output for a vehicle like this, so that they can give you a very good, pleasant, comfort passenger experience on the vehicle. And that's all for this episode. And Autodatas will also perform a teardown and also a deep dive analysis on the Stelato S9. So stay focused, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you.